Welcome to this complete configuration guide. In this video, I'll walk you through how to properly set up your store's operational settings. Inside Settings, Configurations in the Admin Dashboard, we'll configure inventory alerts, order rules, storefront behavior, support details, and notification preferences so your store runs smoothly. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Australia-based demo setup so you can follow along with realistic values. Let's begin with inventory settings. This section controls your low stock alert system. The alert quantity level determines when the system sends you a notification email if product stock gets low. For this demo, we'll enter 5 as the alert quantity and click Update to save the setting. Next, we'll move to order settings, which control how your checkout behaves and how orders are structured. First, enter a handling cost. This is a small fee that gets added on top of calculated shipping costs during checkout. Now let's configure the order number format. We'll enter AUS as the prefix and DS as the suffix. Next, select your default tax profile. In Australia, the standard GST rate is 10%, so choose Australia GST standard 10%. Finally, confirm that your currency is set to AUD. Once all fields are configured, click Update to save the changes. Now let's configure the view settings, which control how information appears both in the admin panel and on your storefront. Under the back office section, you'll see pagination, which determines how many records appear per page in admin tables. For most growing stores, 25 items per page provides a good balance between performance and usability. Next, we move to the storefront settings. First is the eCommerce toggle. When this is turned on, your store becomes fully transactional and customers can purchase products. If it's turned off, the store behaves like a catalog where products can be viewed but not purchased. For a live store, this should remain on. Next is Show Shop Description with Listing. When enabled, your shop description appears within product listing pages. For a cleaner and more modern interface, we'll keep this off. Finally, we have Show Refund Policy with Listing. Enabling this displays your refund policy alongside product listings, which improves transparency and builds trust with customers. We'll keep this on and then click Update. Next, we'll configure support information, which defines how customers contact you and how your system emails appear. Start by entering a professional support email address, such as support@demoshop.com.au. For the phone number, enter a formatted Australian number. Now configure the email identity settings. Set the default sender name to DemoShop Support and the default sender email to something like no-reply@demoshop.com.au. Using a domain-based email address instead of a generic email service helps improve email deliverability and builds credibility with customers. Once all fields are filled, click Update. Finally, let's configure notification settings. This section controls which system alerts you receive from the platform. First, make sure low stock alerts are turned on, so you're notified before products run out. Next, enable new order notifications, so you never miss a sale. As soon as the selected notifications are chosen, the notification settings will be automatically updated. Your store configuration is now complete. We've successfully set up inventory protection, order handling rules, storefront behavior, customer support identity, and essential notification alerts. These configuration settings form the operational backbone of your store and help ensure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes.